If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas and wondering whether the LINQ Hotel experience is actually worth it in 2026, you've come to the right place. We stayed here recently, right in the heart of the Strip, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what our room looks like, the vibe of the hotel, the food, the casino, entertainment, and whether it's comfortable and convenient enough for a Vegas getaway. Let's take a look inside.
All right, guys, we just got checked into our rooms. We're back in Las Vegas. We're at the LINQ Casino. This is our first time coming here, staying at this hotel and casino. We're gonna be on the 15th floor. We got a suite.
Now, I always get excited walking through the halls before I get to the room itself, and this hall gets me excited. The colors of the rug just keeps me motivated. The wood in through the hallways, it just wraps everything. The design, it just makes it feel warm and modern at the same time. So we actually got an upgraded room. We walk into the District 3 suite. The first thing you notice is how open and clean it feels. Immediately to the left of the entrance is a restroom. It's practical, it's convenient, especially when one person wants privacy while the other is getting ready. Moving further in, you reach the living area, starting with the wet bar. It's not just a small counter, it has a high table with 4 seats that actually feels usable, not just decorative, guys. Above it hangs a beautiful curved lamp that adds soft, inviting lighting, modern but warm. The sofa area is right next to that, with clean, urban modern wall art and a comfortable couch. The TV is a great size for relaxing after a day on the Strip, and the overall vibe feels stylish without being overdone. Now, walking into the bedroom, the suite feels like a small apartment. There's a spacious bathroom with a slick shower and plenty of counter space, a closet with room for luggage and hanging clothes, and a comfortable bed with crisp linens. Now, the lighting here, I love it. It's soft and layered, perfect for relaxing at night. And the view offers a glimpse of the Vegas skyline, giving the room life while still feeling peaceful. The suite balances comfort and modern style in a way that makes you feel at home. Heading downstairs, the casino at the LINQ is lively but approachable. Slot machines, table games, and sports betting area, small, but it does the work and it still gives you options to place your bets. It doesn't feel overwhelming like some of the bigger resorts. It's easy to navigate, so you can stop in for a quick game, grab a drink, or just walk through and feel the Vegas energy. At night, it picks up, but during the day, it's calm. A perfect balance for casual fun. Dining options here are flexible. For a sit-down meal, you can dress up a little and enjoy a relaxed dinner. Restaurants have a comfortable vibe, casual elegance, making it easy to enjoy a proper night out. Now, if you're gonna stay here at the LINQ, you've gotta hit the Hash House A Go-Go, famous for massive portions, twisted farm style comfort food, and legendary chicken and waffles right on the Strip. For quick or casual meals, there's a Nook Cafe, perfect for coffee, breakfast, sandwiches, or pastries, and there's even a Dunkin' right there if you want a classic coffee and donut to start the day. Swing by the Boss Cafe, Buddy Velastro's East Coast style deli on the Vegas Strip, serving fresh baked breads, Italian sandwiches, hand-tossed pizzas, and house-made mozzarella daily. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a quick bite between adventures. Inside the hotel, you've got a few nice bar options. There's the main lounge for cocktails and casual drinks, a more lively spot near the casino if you want energy and music, and even smaller, cozy corners if you just want a quiet drink before heading out. plenty of choices depending on your mood. Right on the Promenade, you got Guy Fieri's Vegas Kitchen and Bar. Classic comfort food with a fun casual vibe, burgers, ribs, and all the favorites, plus big portions, great for a relaxed meal before heading out to explore the Strip. Hit up Buddy's Jersey Eats at the LINQ Promenade in Vegas. Buddy's Velostro's Jersey Boardwalk style food truck, serving up carnival-inspired eats straight from the East Coast. Now the LINQ Wine and Spirits is just steps from your room, making it easy to grab cold beer, wine, mixers, or late night snacks without ever leaving the property. Right at the hotel, you've got Matt Franco, Magic Reinvented Nightly. He won America's Got Talent, and the show is smart, interactive, and genuinely impressive. You'll laugh, be amazed, and wonder how he did it. One of my favorite parts of staying at the LINQ Hotel experience is the LINQ Promenade. Right outside the hotel, it's basically a little pedestrian street packed with shops, bars, restaurants, and entertainment. It's lively but not overwhelming, the kind of place you can stroll through at your own pace. When you're staying here at the LINQ, the excitement is literally right next door. When you step outside and soar above the crowd on the Fly LINQ zipline, racing down the promenade with unbeatable views of the Strip. Then, take it even higher on the high roller, the world-famous observation wheel offering breathtaking 360-degree views of the city skyline. Day or night, it's non-stop energy, lights, and unforgettable moments, all just steps from your room at the LINQ. So is the LINQ Hotel experience worth it? If you're looking for modern, clean, comfortable rooms, a central Strip location, good food options, and fun entertainment nearby, the answer is yes. It's stylish without being over the top, convenient without feeling overwhelming, and flexible enough to suit both relaxed evenings or nights out. Whether you're in the mood for a fancy dinner, a quick breakfast, a magic show, or some disco fun, it's all right at your doorstep. That's the full look at the LINQ District 3 Suite and all the fun you can have here. If you enjoyed the review, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future Vegas guides. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you plan your next Vegas stay.